Well, I couldn't let you guys miss this one. It's not very often that we have hot rods or even a truck like this at our shop. So this is Nick's 64 C10 and has the original patina. As you're seeing it is how he got it. Nothing's added, no airbrushing. This is a real good old American, you know, rust and fade with a little bit of satin clear over the top of it. Just a beautiful looking truck. So as you can see, it's lowered. It's got Detroit steel wheels, front and rear, to kind of add to that old school look, maybe kind of the baby moon covers there. In the back, this is one of my favorite parts. He has an ice chest, which I don't know who can go around with just that much beer in their truck. And to be honest with you, light beer, like Miller Lite, who drinks that? Let's just hope he's got a warm one for me. Come on, Nick! Nothing in there. Not even like a half drank, you know, genuine draft or something. But anyway, I hopped in this thing. I don't know much about it. All I do know is that Alan and the boys in the diff shop just put 373 gears in it, Detroit True Track, all new bearings, new yoke, axle shaft bearings and seals. It's got a 12 bolt in the rear, 6 lug. So they dialed that in for Nick, and it runs way too good to be an old straight 6. So let's open up this hood and see what we got. There's a rumor floating around here. Boom! Just what I thought. Yeah, so the rumor was that it had a 5.3 from an 06 Tahoe, and that's pretty much what it looks like. It's got a 4L60. Looks like Tom over at Farm Out Fab, who's the one who built it for Nick, he went ahead and put disc brakes on it, and look at that. Vintage air AC, and aluminum radiator, kept a mechanical fan, shroud, just like I like it. As you can see, all the wiring is simple and easy in here. And I noticed driving up here, it still even has manual steering, but it seems to steer just fine. The brakes do work awesome, so that's important. Well, enough of looking at this thing. I feel like I'm obligated to go get it out on the road and light it off a little bit, you know, kind of break in those gears. Oh man, you can really feel the manual steering, but once you're rolling, it's good. Original steering wheel, tilt column, that's killer, with the auto on the column. And then looks like Dakota digital gauges. And look at that, ammo can with drink holders, and there's your vintage air AC. Look at the vents right in the dash. That's kind of cool. So, I mean, whoa, hula lady too. There really is only one way to break in these gears for him. Oh yeah. Sorry, Nick. I'll tell you what, the posi works. Woo! And just like that, blowing by traffic.